Um, Lisa? Please leave alone. Please go where I'm going to call ka. I just need to talk to you, sir. I'm narakap. I know you're not doctor. Oh, lakad! Oh, lakad. Lakad. Yeah, hello sa inyo mga kalods, and we are back again with another video na naman na kung saan tayo ay maglalaro ng isang game na pinamagatang Here's the Phantom, but this time malalaroin natin na yung episode 2, which is pinangalan ng Norwood Hitchhike. So simulan agad natin tong video na to, wag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's see kung anong bibigay sa atin ng game na to. Let's go. Here's the Phantom. Yes, episode 2, Norwood Hitchhike. Yes, una na natin. June 16. Oh, nangyari to June 16. I think year 2022 ata. Yeah. Sigurado ako doon 2022 yun. This happened to me when I was 19. I'm a little over 21 now. I still remember this very clearly because how creeped out I felt. I was a bit hesitant to write this out for the internet at first, but getting it out may help even if just a little bit. Okay? Sure? I was one of those people that loves gaming convention. I go to every convention I get the chance to, and sometimes even meet some of my online friends. Though my parents weren't always thrilled at the idea of me going on interstate drives, but a plane ticket will be been too expensive. This convention I was at went great, and now it was the day to drive back home. But when I set off, I soon realized the traffic was horrible. I decided that I'd take the long way to avoid the traffic. It was a little over 12 hours drive. Bakit ka pa nag-avoid sa traffic kung pareho lang din naman na matatagalan ka sa biyahe pa uwi? Pwede ka pa nga mapagpahinga dun eh. Ewan ko sa'yo, tol. Siguro siraulo ka lang din minsan, no? Naiintindihan kita. Baka siraulo ka lang. Sige na lang, oo. So, we're gonna drive. Okay, sure thing. Wait lang, may text natin si Aidan. Wait lang. You gotta do what you gotta do. Ano sabi sa atin ni Dad? Drive safe, Foley. Thank you, Daddy. Okay, let's go. Let's drive safe. Dapat safe tayo. Dapat hindi tayo mapapahamak, okay? Dapat ganun po tayo. Dapat hindi po tayo mapapahamak. Kasi pag napahamak tayo, yari tayo kay Daddy. Alam mo na ngayon, di ba? Sa panahon na to, ang pinaka, best line ng mga magulang. Kaka-cellphone mo yan. Pag na-aksidente ka, kaka-cellphone mo yan. Kapag nagkasakit ka, kaka-cellphone mo pa din yan. Syempre. Okay. Like, alam mo na paka-common na ng line na yan eh. And you know, along sa game na to, oh wait lang, may chat ulit si Dad! Kamaya ka na, nagdadrive ako eh. What do you reach? Still about a few hours, still about 6 hours from the city. Got sakin na traffic jam. Oh, okay, sure thing. Oh, shut up ka na, huwag ka na magloko. Yan, very nice. Ayos no, like, to be honest, kung ako tatanungin nyo, gusto ko rin naman mag-drive sa ganitong lugar, kung hindi nga lang siya restricted area. Gusto ko mag-drive sa ganitong lugar. Like, ang chilling niya, to be honest. Like, you will soon realize talaga na, ayun, near up through the I realize I was, diba? Marirealize mo wala ka ng gasolina. Hindi, biro lang. Hindi yun yung gusto ko sabihin. Ang gusto ko sabihin is marirealize mo na, pwede mong iwan na lang dun yung mga problema mo, ganun. Like, kung sabihin natin may kotse ka, tapos parang problematic ka or something, kaysa paingayin mo yung kotse mo, mag-drive ka sa ganitong klaseng lugar, just make sure lang na may gasolina ka at walang something na magiging problema. Then, dito ka mag-unwind habang nagda-drive ka. Huwag ka lang magpapabangga, tol. Diyos ko po naman. Like, subukan nyo. Kung may mga kayo. Kung siguro may nanonood dito na matatanda na. Like, sana try nila yun. Kasi to be honest, pwede kayo mag-unwind sa ganito pag ang dami nyo ng problema, ang laki na ng problema nyo sa buhay, responsibilities, and many more. Trust me, ito lang talaga ang best way para makapag Oh, gas station? Yes, it is. Oh, sige, let's go. Dito tayo sa gas station. Sige, shy naman talaga eh. Oh, umayos ka, tol. Umayos ka. Oh, what the... Konti pa. There you go. Oh, ayan oh. Baba. There you go. Oh. Okay, sure. Pwede na, sige. Okay, tara. Kuha na, tayo. Kumuha. Wow. Magkano na tayo tawag dito? Ng pump. We need the pump. Okay. We need to pump up some gas. So, let's go na. Okay. Hi po. Ma'am? Can I get a $2, $10? $10 ata yun on pump 2. Skip na natin. You heading to the bridge by yourself? Yes, why? The Norwood Valley Road. I mean, not a lot of people head down there this time of year. Be careful. What do you mean? What do you mean? For about a century now, many people have been going missing down there. And people who went looking for them never returned. Sure. Sige. Wala problema sa akin yun. I'm good with that. Local says that the Norwood Valley Monster had turned them and hung them up outside the tree. Cool. Sige, cool. Ang cool na story mo, kuya. Nagugusto ko yung story mo. Okay? Sige na pala, kuya. Thank you pala sa gas, ha. Sige. Pwede na. Gagamit na ako ng pump, no? And one more thing. Ano yun? If you see a woman in a white or blue gown trying to get a ride, do not stop. Just step on gas as hard as you can. Okay, sure. Whatever you do, never ever under any circumstances pick up a hitchhiker. Those people out there on the road putting their thumbs out, they ain't what you think, ma'am. They just ain't not. Or ain't not. Ain't not. Sorry na. Hello. Did just that guy stalk me? Or some... Tol, I'm having a hard feeling. I'm having a bad feeling about here. Wait lang, may nag-text sa atin. Sino yun? Oli, ma'am? I don't know if you find any shop at this hour, but we're out of dog food. Could you get something for Milo? I'll pay you back. I think we should just get dito sa mismo, sa gas station. Probably meron naman. Well, di lang ako sure, pero hopefully meron. I know the dog food, okay. Alam ko na may shape ng dog food, huwag kayong dyan. I think this one is the dog food, or... Yeah, mga pagkain to eh. Ano to? Tissue yan, oh. Ayan, oh, dog food, oh, ito. At least we found a dog food, right? Oh, there you go. That will be $5, ma'am. Pay. There you go. O, diba? Mas maangas. Sabi sa'yo eh. O, tara na. Alis na tayo. O, kuya, thank you sa gas, ha. Alis na ako. Opo, yes po. Alis na ako, ha. O, ingat ka dito sa trabaho mo, kuya, at galingan mo palagi. Opo. I wish you a very best of the luck and a good night and a happy new year and hotdog cheese dog kakalog-kalog. There you go. Sarado mo. Wow, galing. Matagos. Dapat ipaon mo sa ilalim. Yan. Tol naman, umayos. Tol, gusto ko nang umalis, kaya umayos ka na, ha? Tol, kailangan hindi nakaano yan. Mahulog yan eh. Tol, umayos ka. Kung ayaw mo sampigain kita, umayos ka. Babanas na ako sa'yo. Ayusin pa natin tong kailangan pa natin. Bakit ba naman kasi ganito? Pwede ka na bang umayos, ha? Kasi, alis na, uwi na ako, oh. Pwede na yan? Sige na, tara na. I think we get the gas. Yeah, did we eat the gas already? Or did we already have a gas? Okay. The carton was full. Very nice. Sige, tara na. O, sige na. Ayusin na natin yung, angle natin. Yan. Ay, ano ba? Ganito lang, yan. Okay, then, we're just gonna drive away. Okay? Never mind whatever happens. There you go. Ayan, no? Diba? Di, peaceful na naman tayo. Drive away na naman tayo. Huh? Being on the road, did you realize a thing? Like what? I mean, what do you mean? What do you mean monster truly exists? Naniniwala ka sa lalaking yun? And every single one of them just look like you and me. What? Just look like you and me? I don't get it, but maybe tama, she kasi babae tayo. She's trying to tell us na yung mga masasamang tao ba? Yun ba yung mga monster na nire-refer niya dito? Kasi we all know that monsters is have a bad attitude, okay? Ganun. But syempre, may mga tao pa rin naman dito na pangit talaga yung ugali. Katulad mo na hindi nakasubscribe pero nanonood. Oo, pinaparinggan kita. Mag-subscribe ka na, huwag kang dyan, ha? Biro lang. Yung mga tao na nakakagawa ng krimen, well, not all of them na nakakulong ay talagang inosente. Okay? Ay, guilty. Yung iba is inosente talaga pero syempre dahil sa kawalan ng pera at ebidensya, although may mga witness naman talaga at hindi pinapaniwalaan yung mga witness, then we can't do anything para matulungan sila, ganun. So, nakukulong sila. And sometimes, they even sentence life in prison, which is napakahirap, tol. That's why, ayoko talaga makulong. Oo, ayoko talaga. Kaya nga, uma-avoid talaga ako sa mga possible na pwedeng mag-lead sa akin para makulong eh. I just don't feel. Well, kaya ko naman. Kung talaga makakagawa ko ng kasalanan, kaya kong tiisin. Ay! Maayos ka! Sorry. So, ayun. Kaya ko naman siya tiisin. Although mahirap, pero syempre, kailangan tiisin. Nakagawa ka ng krimen eh. Ganon. Just accept the reality. Huwag mo nang takbuhan. And speak of takbuhan, kamusta na kaya yung artista? Sino nga ba yung artista na yun na nakulong? Ay, na may warrant of arrest? I don't know if nahuli na siya. Yung ano tawag dito? Basta, hindi ko maalala. Sorry. Sorry Pero malayo pa ba tayo? Ganon. Nakaka-relax ka mo bumiyahe ng ganito, to be honest. Tsaka namimiss ko rin naman. Hindi ako nagdadrive ng kotse or ng motor. Baka sakaling iniisip nyo. Hindi ako nagdadrive. Sinasama lang ako. Kumbaga pag may mga kami ng trip kami sa Mindanao, like nakakamiss ng ganito rin dinadaanan namin. And syempre, hindi rin naman nawawala yung mga tulay na punong, minsan tulay na makikita mo sa baba, taniman. Yung iba naman, ilog. Depende kung ano nga abutan mo, ganun. Admit ako sa travel driver. Sorry na tol, sorry na. Sorry na, ano ka ba? Di naman kita sinisisi. Kasalanan lang talaga ng control ko kasi alam mo, naka-keyboard at mouse lang ako, ay naka-computer lang ako. Hindi ka naman magiging ganito, huwag ka mag-alala. Sorry na. Hindi ko naman sinasadya eh. Ano ba? Huwag mo nasisiin sarili mo. Stop blaming yourself. Kasalanan ko naman. Oo na, sige na. Aray ko. I wasn't the best at driving. Sorry, nagpapanik lang. Sorry. Pero don't panic. It's organic. Election 2022 yata yun. Basta ang daming mga kabobohan ng mga tao at pati ng mga kandidato. Ewan ko ba. Pero bahala na. Whatever happens, it will happen and yo! Muntik na yun. Buti na lang mabilis kang bani ka. Congrats sa'yo. Kasi kung di ka mabilis, I'm pretty sure you're dead already. You're a freaking dead meat, you know? You're already a dead meat. Kapag ako talaga pag ako nakasalubong mo, hindi ako hihinto. Trust me. There are just a very weird things about that night. I saw two big logs in the middle of blocking the way ahead. Why would you do that, tol? Kung sino naman naglagay nito, why would you do this, ha? Napakapangit ng ugali mo, alam mo yon. Tol, umayos ka. Come on, tol. Those were very heavy. Like, tol, hindi ba obvious, ha? Hindi ba obvious na mabigat talaga to, ha? Kahoy yan eh. Syempre, mabigat talaga yan. Ano ka ba, tol? Nag-iisip ka ba? Ginagamit mo ba utak mo or something? O, baka naman, tol, lalaki ka na. Dalawa na ulo mo, hindi mo pa din alam kung ano ibig ko sabihin, ha? Mahirap na. Biro lang, syempre. Nagbibiro lang ako. Diba? Hindi ko naman kayo naaway. Bumukha lang akong mga away dito, pero hindi ko kayo naaway, ha? Nire-real talk ko lang kayo. What the frick? The car won't start back up. Would not. Now what? Ano na? Now what are we supposed to do? Hindi ko alam. And just like that, I was stranded in the middle of nowhere with no phone service. Wala. I'm not saying that I was starting to believe whatever the bullcrap the gas station clerk pulled. Okay? But I would be lying if I said I didn't feel slightest of unease. I mean, kahit sino naman, di ba? You're with me? Di ba? I mean, kahit sino naman eh. Talagang, I don't mean to make this sound like a cheap horror. Throughout my life, I was told not to take a ride from strangers. But you have no choice, right? But at that moment, I had no choice. Indeed. Okay? And you should know that. I was scared to think that how long would it take for someone to pass. Never know. Sorry na. Ano na? Ano na ngayon mangyari? 10:23 PM. Syempre PM po, hindi po yan AM, ha? Hindi naman na kayo, kung mga bata kayo, syempre, hindi ko kayo masisi. Pero I think kahit naman sa elementary, tinuturo na yun, na magkaiba po. I saw a car nearing. Saan? Wala naman kita. Ayun. Kuya! Kuya, into! 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 I didn't understand how somebody could live another human being stranded like that. Tol, alam mo pagkatapos ng kinuwento ng clerk na yun, tingin mo ba may hihinto pa dito para sa'yo? No, wala, okay? Trust me, wala na. Ako na nagsasabi sa'yo, tol. Kapahirapan mo lang sarili mo. 10:43 PM. Sure thing then? Sure. Oh, now what? Ano na mangyari ngayon? Are we gonna die now? Or something? Well, hopefully we just gonna die, no? Para matapos na tayo dito. Ayoko na. Diyos ko po naman eh. Tapusin na natin to. Ano, may darating pa ba? Please, Norwood Monster. Ay. No. Kuya, hinto. 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 Minto. Well, I guess it's our lucky night. May huminto pa para sa atin. Ayos yan. Sige, sure thing. Thank you, kuya, sa paghinto. Thank you very much. I really appreciated it. Come again. Kuya, hello po, kuya. You're the girl from the gas station. Thank you so much for stopping. What are you trying to do out here? I think my car just broke down. I think I can get a ride. Where are you heading? Just up the road. Hop in. Thank you so much. Could you wait till I get my stuff? Hurry up, just right in the back. I won't be here for too long. Sus, kuya. Kuya, takot ka lang din naman sa ano eh. Takot ka sa Norwood Valley Monster eh. Takot ka lang, kuya. Hindi mo pa aminin eh. Paloki-loki ka pa na matapang dyan. Kala mo naman talaga. Tigayin kita dyan eh. Alam ko rin naman natatakot ka, kuya. I feel you. Huwag ka mag-alala, okay? Alam ko rin naman natatakot ka rin, ha? Kaya, wag mo nitago, kuya. Okay? Wag mo nitago. Nahihiya ka pa sa akin eh. Huwag ka mahiya sa akin, ha? Hindi naman kita pagtatawanan. Hindi naman kita pagtatawanan, kuya. Huwag ka mag-alala, ha? Hindi Hindi ko na kaya. Bahala na kayo tumawa dyan kung natatawa kayo. Okay, hindi na ako natutuwa. Bahala kayo dyan. Oo. Opo. Bahala kayo. Ay, nako. Pero, kuya, huwag mo na ilihim sa akin. Alam ko naman natatakot ka din. Di ba? I know you feel uneasy din naman. Pero sana all, no? Tsaka isa pa, ngayon ko lang din na-realize. Sayang lang din pagpapagas natin kung nasira lang yung kotse natin, no? Dapat pag-uwi natin, singilin natin si Dad, eh. Dapat sabihin natin, Dad! You know, ha? Nasira yung kotse mo, tapos nagpagas ako ng $10. Alam mo ba yon? Like $10, men, you know, magkano na yun? Nasa, ano na yun eh? 11K? Sa Philippine money, ha? Okay, I think we're done. Yeah, we're done. Okay. I'm done. Hurry up. I need to get moving now. I'm done. It's not safe to get out here. Okay. Sige, kuya. Sige. I'm done. I'm done. What do you mean? Ha? Ayaw mo pasakay? Kuya? I'm done. Finally, now I can be quick. Okay, sure thing. Sige, ito na. I'll be quick. I'll be quick. Oh, ito na. Diba? Mabilis lang. Sabi sa inyo, mabilis lang eh. Mabilis sa fast. Okay? Mabilis kumaliski. Sorry na. Biro lang. Bibiro lang ako, ha? Nagbibiro lang ako. Kaya dyan. So, story time muna tayo. Dahil ako ay nababad trip na naman. At ngayon ay nasiraan tayo ng kotse. At syempre, kailangan natin ng tulong. May kukwento ako sa inyo. Okay? Sa atin lang to. Alam niyo ba? Na pogi ko. Ngangin, di ba? Syempre, biro lang. So yun, tell me who you are, where you're going. I rather not safe. That's okay. If you say so, listen. Thank you, kuya. Thank you po. Ay, ang ganda ng moon, no? Eh, look at the moon. Look at the moon. Eh, look at the moon. Demonyo ka. Ha? Mag-subscribe ka na kasi. Ha? Tsaka magla-like kayo, ha? Pag nanonood kayo, magla-like kayo. Kasi kung di ka magla-like, ha? Nakikita nyo to? Nakikita nyo to? May mata kayo. I had to be on this side of the town tonight. Thank you. What do you mean? I must say, you are one brave young woman. And how's that? Huh? I think you got any clue what happened to your car back there? I think it was battery. Yeah. Are you sure? It's my dad. It's pretty old. Well, if you say so. Well, Sabagay, hindi ko rin naman masisisi kung talagang may sira na yung mga sasakyan, I can also say na syempre kasalanan din naman ng katanda ng kotse. Okay, ano yun? So, what do you think about what I told back at the gas station? It's funny, to be honest. Interesting. AJ tells that to every person traveling down there. Really now? But, I wanna confirm one thing. Kuya, I just want to confirm one thing. So, is it true? What? The monsters? Let's see. I've never seen the monster for myself, but there are. What do you mean? There are some things. And I'm afraid your car breaking down could be being one of them. I doubt that, pero sige. Hey, listen. I don't wanna sound like that moron, but I just remember this. You don't bother them and you don't be bothered. I don't get it. Don't bother them, but how can you say, or I didn't bother them, hindi ko sila inistorbo ha. Wala akong ginawa, like nagdadrive lang ako. You know, I'm sorry for being a jerk. Sorry for being jerk to you. Before, I'm not the best with people. I see. It's fine sa akin, kuya. Walang problema sa akin yun. Pero, cutscene? Very nice, very nice. Kanina ko pa gusto ng cutscene, nahihilo na ako. Sakit na ng ulo ko, ha? Like 21 minutes pala ako nagre-record, partida. 21 pa lang yan. Wala pa. Wala pa sa kalahati, boss. Sige. Pero, nabalik natin kong hairstyle. Well, pasensya na kami, pinipilit ko lang talaga yung current hairstyle ko. Sinasanay ko pero wala talaga. Ayan yung bagong Romer PH. Ayan na. After a little bit of smoke, he dropped me off by a motel. Apparently, they offered a roadside assistance. Besides, I thought I could use a little rest. Be careful, there are still kind of people out there, he said ominously before leaving. What do you mean? Ominously people? Bye-bye, kuya! Bye-bye. Okay, I'm gonna go. Sige, I'm gonna go na. Hello po. Good evening. The man was putting out the creepiest vibe imaginable. What do you mean? Girl, need the room for the shaka for the night? How much is yes, I'm only going to be here for a few hours. $40 for single. Nananadya ka ba? Nananakit ka na. Single ako, ginaganyan mo ako Masama yan. Pay cash only. Ito na magbabayad na Ayaw mo, di ka ba tumatanggap ng Gcash, kuya? Room number 9, right over there. Sure, talk about the car. Let's go. $90. Tommy will take care of it next thing in the morning. Kung mabubuhay pa ako. Sorry na po. Oh! Gago. Sorry lang. Sorry. Good, I'll let Tommy know. And one last thing. Try not to wake the other guests. They may not take very nicely to it. What do you mean? Why? Okay. Thank you, kuya. Thank you for the key. Okay. Kuya, should I close the door? Yeah, I should just close the door. Sige po. I'll just go. You know? I'm just gonna go. Okay, never mind. Just don't mind it. Okay, ganun. Okay, what do you mean? What? Call me right over, Holy. No way, wala nga akong signal Sira ulo ka ba? Yo, it was nice and warm inside. Ay, not bad. Except there was a smell of musky smell get from old houses. Oh, really now? This sounds interesting. Ano to? Tol, bawal tayo mag-ingay? Sa game na to? No, freaking way. So, papatayin ko electric fan ko. Wait lang Ayan, so siguro inaan ko na din yung mic ko, no? Yeah. Hindi, lakasan muna natin. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Yan. Sorry, nagbago ba yung boses? Boses ko? Sorry I believe this must be the comfort room. Kung saan kita i-comfort. Ibang comfort gusto mo Charot lang. What are you doing there? You scared the crap out of me. Shut up, I'm Tommy, room service here at Roadwood Inn. I'm the finest stopover in Norwood. What we're doing here? Yeah. You know, cleaning stuff. Get Guy at the front desk gave me this room. I'm gonna have to sit outside while I make the room. I'll just get my stuff. I'll just... You know, I'm just gonna leave, you know that? No. I don't wanna freaking stay in... No. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo pero gusto ko na matapos. Like, can we just get this over na? Gusto po naman eh. Ayoko na talaga. Ayoko na talaga. Inis naman eh. Bakit naman kasi why all the times it's me, ha? Pwede bang ibang tao naman, ha? There you go. I'll just get 19, ha? Oh, kuya, I'm done, oh. Now you can live. Kuya, can we talk pa ba? Are we gonna talk pa ba? Had a word with you about the situation. Tapos, what is wrong with these people? Mercy. But don't you worry, it's safe here. I'll go get your car. Are you sure about that? And also, room's phone is not working. If needed anything, just at the front desk. We've been trying to get it fixed, but we haven't been seeing enough guests lately. Shut up. Okay, just shut the fan up. Ha? Nahimik ka na lang. But you have a good night. Thank you po, kuya. Okay, ito na, tatabi na ako. Sorry na. Woohoo! We can finally rest. Hot dog. Cheese dog. Okay. Let's go. Sa wakas, makakapagpahinga na tayo. Okay, so makikipag-chat. Makikipag-chat muna tayo, no? Sige na pala. Sige na, dito muna tayo kay Aidan. Ano ba ang conversation natin nila, Aidan, ha? Aidan, what's our conversation na ba, ha? Nagliligawan na ba tayo? Ay, ha? Sorry na. May wandera na kotse. I'll see if I can get the car. Let you know. Finally, going to take, ano yan? Going to take Milo for a walk, lol. Alright, lol. Okay, the plan is out. Hell yeah! Wait, you got the car? Yup. Ano yan? Big girl. Big girl, yay. Ano yan? You sure I can come? I'll get the skateboard. Too. So this is really cool skate parks nearby. Sounds fun. Discord? Ano yan? Where are you? Almost there? Ano yan? Hindi ko mabasa. Peach shirt? Ganon, something? It was fun. I had a good time. I'd get it for joining me. Well, tol, mukhang may ligawan na nagaganap. Patay ka sa tatay mo. Biro lang. Do I hear? I think I hear some footstep. Yeah. I think I did. Nagdadahan-dahan yata eh. Hindi lang sure pero Holy, ma'am? Ay, okay, kanina na yan. Okay. Later ka na po, mami. Later ka na. Tabi ka muna dyan. Yan, very nice. Very good, mami. Tapos, ito naman tayo sa text nga ni dad. Ano yan? Told you to take that flight. Oh, Holy, it's gonna be late. When are you gonna reach back? Hope you're been alright. I'll be alright, dad. Where do you reach? Why are you not picking up the call? What do you mean, reroute? Dad, by standard, I may have to stay in the motel tonight. Okay, sure, hotdog. Yun na ba yun? Okay, seems like wala naman na. Sige. What the freak? Call to force it, but there was something better off about that place. Tol, bangon! Gago, men! Tapos nasa katabing kwarto pa. Ha? No. Coffee could help myself. Sure. Coffee? Gago, men, pinagpapawisan ako sa takot. Ano ba? Pinagpapawisan ako. Hotdog naman talaga, oh. I think may coffee machine dito. Yeah, ito. Coffee machine, there you go. Espresso, cappuccino. Sige, magano tayo. Mag-cappuccino na lang tayo. Bye. Wait, I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. Dito. Ayun yung room natin. Nakikita ko na. There you go. Tol. Ayan. Tol, I think we're being pushed to mismo some drug thingy, ewan ko. I'm not sure about that, pero hopefully na gosh. Ang sakit sa tenga. Ang sakit. Man, I can't hold this anymore. Let's just sleep. You know that? Let's just Oh, what the frick are you doing? Higa! Ang sakit sa Aray. Ang sakit sa tenga, gading. Wait nga, nasira bangs ko eh. Sige na, babalikan dati kong hairstyle. Wala talaga, hindi ko talaga magawa yung ibang hairstyle. Sorry na, ha? Ayusin ko na lang para makita nyo ako. Ayan. Now what? What will happen right now? Hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na talaga alam anong mangyayari ngayon. Diyos ko po. 3:18 AM. Nakatulog lang tayo ng 2 oras? I was sedated. Sedated? So tama nga ako na parang some sort of a drug na hinalo sa kape, ganun? Ito matawag. No! Tol, no! No, bangon. Okay na ba? Hindi na ba Okay, hindi na. Sige. There you go. May pumasok dito, you know? May pumasok. Meron talaga, confirm. What should we do? Anong gagawin natin? Joe, sana yung manager pumunta dito. Gago talaga. Hindi ko to kakayanin kung wala yung manager. I think most probably we're gonna die. Yeah. Well, someone's coming. Oh, ayun si Joe. Ayun na siya. Ayun si Joey. Joey or Joe, hindi ko alam. Well, stand up. Talk like a professional. Open the door. Hi kuya. I've gotta tell you something. Did I especially tell you not to wake anyone up? I have complaints. What are you making all those goofy noise for? Goofy noise? What? I didn't. Whatever it is, just keep it down, miss. Is that why your eyes are all red? Mention the coffee machine. Okay. Are you messing with me? Why? No, I'm not. We don't have no coffee machine here. Andun lang sa left side mo, tol. Follow me. Okay. I've had enough of your crazy guns here. For once, I thought we had the sober guys, but I guess I got the crazy ones here. I hate my job. Joe. Joe, follow me. Sumunod ka talaga sa akin, ha? Sumunod ka sa akin. Under any circumstances, sumunod ka. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Andito yon. I still believe na... Joe, bilisan mo. I don't wanna die in here, you know? I don't wanna die. Sumunod ka lang sa akin, ha? Sumunod ka lang. Kumalma ka lang, hindi kita sasaktan. Sorry. Kumalma ka lang, hindi kita sasaktan. Sumunod ka lang sa akin, ha? Bakit nawala? No, tol, you know it's here, right? You know it's here. Andito yon. Oo. What are you doing? Nagawa. May naglakad doon. Nakita nyo sa... I'll zoom that out. Huwag kayo mag-alala. What happened? Show me your coffee machine right now. I said go back now. Sure, okay. Sige, huwag ka naman magalit, kuya. There should be some medication in your room that should offer you some relief. Check the table by the TV. Sure thing, kuya. Thank you. Tol, yung control ko na may problema eh. Ay. Wait. So, sa medication to the table sa TV. Sure thing. Sige. Maybe that will help. Yeah. I mean, it will definitely help. To be honest, malaking tulong yun. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Pero sige. Room number 9. Okay. Siyempre, we're closing the door first. There you go. Then, sa medication that we needed. Tol, wag ka naman magpakatanga ngayon, Next time nga, using ko sensitivity nito. Okay, Tol, wait lang. Should be like this, right? Yun! Okay, now what are we gonna do? Okay, sige. Okay, now we're gonna drink some water. Yes! Yes! I think we're gonna calm down now. Kahit naman pa paano siguro, no? Hirap mag-focus kapag tinatakpan ng bank. Oh, ayan na. Oh, yung bago Romer PH na naman. Babalik. Okay, I think I'm gonna get up. I'm just gonna sleep na lang siguro, no? I'm just gonna freaking sleep na lang. Yes po. Ay, nako po. Oh, anong gagawin natin ngayon dito? Wala. Diba? Wala talaga. Pag wala. Okay? Huwag nyo nang ipilit ang wala. Did I just freaking hear a footstep again? Like really now? Kanina pa kayo ah. Sorry na. Ang intense kasi. Like inalo ako lang ng biro para Wag na magtaka. Wag na. This is an full gameplay of series of the air. What? Hindi ko na alam pinagsasabi ko dito. Bahala na kayo mintindi. Oo, bahala na kayo. Tsaka kanina pa kami naririnig na footstep na para bang naglalakad na kung Ewan ko. Pero hindi na ako natutuwa. Hindi na talaga ako natutuwa. You know that? No, I'm not. Okay? Hindi na ako natutuwa. To be honest, hindi na talaga. Hindi na. Did I just hear someone knock? Tama ba? Someone just take a picture of me. No, I'm pretty sure may camera shutter ako narinig eh. I'm pretty sure there is someone take a picture of me. Naririnig ko siya! Naririnig ko na.
Hello?
Ang pogi ng boses. Pero stalker natin. Who is it? Please open the door. I need your help. What do you want? I need your help. Please open the door. Do nothing. I think we should get ready. I know you're in there. Wait lang. Tol. Buksan mo yan. Wait lang. Kumakatok siya. Please leave alone. Please go where I'm going to call the cop. I just need to talk to you, sir. I'm not a cop. I know you're not a cop. Tol, lakad! Tol! Lakad. Uy! Gago ka! Ay, gago ka! Na-full ko yung volume! Na-full ko! Hindi ko na inaangga! Sorry! Tangina men! Anyway, so hopefully naman nag-enjoy ka dun mga kalods. Tangina talaga. Kinikilabutan pa rin ako. Gago talaga yun Anyway, so hopefully nag-enjoy ka dun mga kalods. At kung nag-enjoy ka dun, syempre huwag niyang kakalimutan mag-iwan ng like dyan sa baba. Na-appreciate ko naman yun. Mag-subscribe na lang kayo para mag-isa kayong kalods. Okay, so yun lang. At i-click niyong maliit na notification bell dyan sa baba para maging updated ka sa bagong videos ko at sa mga paparating pa. Also, huwag niyong kalimutang i-social. Huwag niyo kalimutang i-follow ang ating mga social media sa description, okay? Andiyan ang ating Facebook, andiyan ang ating TikTok, at especially, andiyan ang ating Instagram, okay? Sa Instagram po, doon po ako nag-upload ng reels. Sa Facebook, doon ako nag-update. And probably, there's many more. Pwede nyo rin ako maka-interact sa FB as soon as I'm not busy. Katulad ngayon, nakakatapos ko lang record to, ay hindi nyo talaga ako makakausap na matino, okay? So yun lang. Alright tayo dyan. Palisimo. Bufa. Stay humble.